Hi, welcome to Country Views TikTok fans. Today we're going to be making lazy enchiladas. Yes, you heard me right. So we're going to come over here and get this started. Alright, so if you own a deep fryer, the first thing you're going to do is plug it in. And then you're going to pull this basket out. And you're going to load up how many taquitos you want in it. Let me show you the box. You can get any brand you want. We like this brand, the beef and cheese ones. It works best with the red enchilada sauce, but here we go. Alright, so what's cool about this air fryer is it's got this safety feature. It don't turn on till you put it in. Anyhow, you're going to come over here and set it for what you want. I'm just going to set it for 400 degrees for 5 minutes. And then start. And then I will check it after that 5 minutes. And if it needs to go longer, then I'll take it longer. But usually 5 minutes does it. Okay, so they are done in the air fryer. Let's pull it out. Oh yeah, that's how you want them to look. So let's go on to the next step. I'll show you guys. Come on over here. Let's do this. Okay, so you're going to start with a can of red enchilada sauce. I like this brand. I like to get my little ladle and give it a good stir because all the seasonings always falls down to the bottom as it sits. Once it's got a good stir, you're going to come over here to your dish and you're going to cover the bottom with it like so. And voila. Now, I like to put some cheese on bottom as well as the top. So I just like to sprinkle a little bit of cheese like that. And then I get my taquitos and you kind of just want to just dump them in like so. I believe that's all of them. And then you're going to just layer them in your dish like this, and you're going to dump more sauce over them like so. Okay, so make sure every single one is covered. Now you're going to start putting your cheese on again. And make it as cheesy as you want it. Heck, let's just dump the rest in because I'm that kind of girl. I like to make it extra cheesy. And then that's what you have. Now you're going to pop it in the oven. Let's go on over to the oven. Here we are at the oven. Look at all that. You're going to want to put it in a 400-degree oven until the cheese is nice and bubbly. I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so the enchiladas are lazy enchiladas. So let's get them out. Look at that yummy, bubbly goodness right here. All right, I'm going to get a plate and plate it up. We're gonna start with 2 here. And what I like to do is start with a spatula. Look at that, guys. And put it right on here. Okay. And then you're gonna get you a spoon Because who doesn't like extra sauce? I know I do. So you're going to come over here and get a little extra of that yummy goodness. Like this. And then, here's the best part. You're going to put some lettuce across it. You're going to put a dollop of sour cream. You're going to put a couple slices of tomato. And then we like to always top it off with a jalapeno on the side. Let's have a taste. Okay, so let's have a taste test. Let's go in. Look at that. Look how yummy. I'm going to grab me a bite with a little sour cream, a little lettuce. Grab this jalapeno here. Want a bite? I know I do. Ready? I'd say that's an oh so yummy.